All right, everybody. All right, great students. Welcome to this free training on how to get content ideas to post on your social media account, on your Facebook, or anywhere you want to post it. Many people find difficult to post constantly, even though they have the quest to post constantly because they lack the idea on what to post. They always run out of content. After this training, at the end of this free training, you're going to learn how not to run out of content. First of all, go to your Meta AI in your WhatsApp DM. Every WhatsApp has Meta AI. Go to the DM of the Meta AI. Ask the Meta AI a question. As you can see, I told the Meta AI, I am a weight loss coach. I'm just giving you an example. You will choose, like, it depends on the niche you are into. So you have to first of all identify the area you want to create content in. Let me assume to be a weight loss coach. I told my Meta AI that I am a weight loss coach and content writer on Facebook. This place I wrote content writer on Facebook. You can choose to replace it with content creator. I wrote content writer because I mostly write. Most of my contents are in written form. That is where the ones I know how to do very well. So it depends on your own. I'm just giving you an instance, an example. I don't want this video to be too long. So suggest 20 mind-blowing topics that will send traffic to my Facebook page in this niche. That is, I told my Meta AI to suggest topic for me in this field. That is, as a weight loss coach, tell me 20 nice topics that will give me content idea. As you can see, Meta AI gave me 20 topics. The first one is saying 10-day weight loss challenge, weight loss 5 kg, blah blah blah. You can see many of them. So when you do this, simply copy this thing, go and paste it in your phone notes. Then every day, go through this topic, find the one that you want to post. Then when you find the topic you want to post, then come back here again with topic. Alright, I'm back. Like I said before, when you pick a topic out of the one that Meta AI suggested for you, you come back again. For instance, now I picked number 17 of this topic. I asked Meta AI, I am a weight loss coach and content creator on Facebook using simple, captivating, and interesting words. Write on this topic the surprising benefits of and all that. And this is what Meta AI gave me. So this is how to easily create content using Meta AI. Now I will copy this thing that Meta AI gave me. I will go. You can now edit it, add in your own and all that. Just do the finishing touch. And if you don't like what the Meta AI gave you, you can tell the Meta AI to write it again, or you just paraphrase the question you gave it. And when it drops it, you copy it, edit it to how it will suit you and all that. And this is how to write and how to always have content ideas using Meta AI. Please, if you have watched this video to this end, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, support me, like my video, and thank you, and God bless you.